Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add a video player in your WordPress website. So now I can go in the dashboard, and after that I can install a plugin for the video player. So scroll down, and here you can see in the plugin sections, click on add new plugin. So guys, now here you can see WordPress plugin library. Here I can search for a free plugin. Just I can type keyword Presto player. Then after that, here you can see 1 lakh plus active installations with 5-star rating. Just click on install now button, and after that activate the plugin. Okay guys, the next step is we need to go back in the pages, and after that scroll down. Here you can see I have a test page, so just I can edit this page, and here I can add a block. So let me click on plus icon, and after that I want to add info box, and here I can change the text. So I can disable icon, and after that I can change text here. Then after that description, and I can change here description. Okay guys, the next step is here I want to add a new block. I can search for Presto player. So guys, here you can see we got multiple options. We can select a video from the laptop, and here you can see other options from the YouTube, Vimeo, audio, and Bunnynet. So these are the major platforms that this player support. So for example, I want to add a video from the YouTube. Just I can select this option. Then the next step is here I can play a video, then I can get the URL. So let me skip this ad, and I want to add this video. Just right click, then here you can see copy video URL. So the next step is just you can add here YouTube video URL, then click here the button. So guys, here you can see we got video added in the website. And then on the right side, here you can see these are few options. So these are basically player styles. You can select any of these. For example, if you want to add minimal style, just you can use this one. And also here you can see simple style. Then scroll down, and the last style is YouTube optimize. So I think this is recommended if you want to add videos from the YouTube. And after that click here save button. So guys, here you can see it is looking too much better. In this way you can easily add a video in your WordPress website. And after that, let me go back in the dashboard, and on the left side in the menu, here you can see Presto player. So guys, if you want to add this video in Elementor, how you can do that? Just you can copy this shortcode, and after that let me create a page. Test 2. and after that publish the page. Then click here edit with Elementor. So guys, here you can see Elementor page builder is loading. So the next step is we need to add a new container. Then add element, search for shortcode, drag it here, and after that paste the code. So guys, here you can see player is showing.